Hey, it's the Odd Man. In the middle of September 2022, I went to Port Townsend for the Wooden Boat Festival. I stayed at Potlatch State Park and I did a run in Twanoh State Park. Here's how it went. I am at Potlatch State Park on Hood Canal. I'm about halfway between my house and Port Townsend. I'm going up to Port Townsend to go to the Wooden Boat Festival. Look at how nice of a job they did cleaning and preparing this campsite. All raked. Pretty sweet. This is a pretty small park. Not much to do here. Twanoh State Park is a smaller park too, but they do have a 2-mile running trail, which I did twice. Well, there's only 400 feet of elevation gain over the course of about a mile, but there's still some fairly steep parts. At the end of the first lap, I came out here, back where I started. The Port Townsend Wooden Boat Festival is a pretty large gathering of traditional and contemporary wooden boat enthusiasts, of which I consider myself one.
Sailors drunk. I seldom do the shit by the head or by the throat.
Looks much better than mine. So the only YouTube channel I watch routinely is a guy named Samson Boats that is rebuilding this boat. It's called the Tally Ho. You got to imagine, at a wooden boat festival, this guy is a rock star. This is the Odd Man, out.